98% of the men out there have lost their touch and they do not have good game. They don't even have good strategy on how to ask a lady out.
Will you keep quiet?
They feel that when, listen, I'm not using myself as an example. They feel that when they approach you, if they don't show signs of money there, you will not agree.
No,
As a man, now you don't know what I like, but you don't get out for your mind, say,
once there's money.
Do you understand? So no problem. Now, if now your money you won't come spend, bring it on.
Bam.
In my DM, I have, okay, for instance, I said I'll take myself as an example, yeah? We have men starting up a conversation with, what's up, weekend in Dubai? Are you game? Are you joking? Even if that person where you don't the eye before, say, okay, you don't even like this person, you can't tell you, say, what's up, weekend in Dubai? Are you interested? Now, if you say yes, let's agree. Like I said, let's agree that you already liked this person before. Yeah. If you say yes to him, based on say he start up the conversation weekend in Dubai, for in mind and in money you day after.
Bam.
If you fall in love at the end of the day or within the or along the line, somewhere, it's my money.
That's the OT she has.